Good morning students. Myself Mrs. Kavita Modi. Today we are going to continue chapter 5 decimals. In this chapter our topics are like decimals, unlike decimals and converting unlike decimals into like decimals. See the first basket. Look at these decimal numbers in the first basket. What do you observe? If we look at these decimal numbers, they all are very different but are similar in some manner. You can see these decimal numbers have only one digit after decimal. Now look at the second basket. What do you observe? You can see these decimal numbers have two digits after decimal. So we have same number of decimal places in each basket. Means after decimal same number of digit in each decimal number, so it is called like decimals. That is, decimals having the same number of digit on the right of the decimal point are known as like decimals. So we can say that 123.9, 58.3, 2.1, 12.6, 977.4 and 1.5 are the examples of like decimals. Similarly, the decimal numbers in basket 2 are also the examples of like decimals. Look at the basket carefully. What do you observe? Are the number of digits same after decimal point? No. So these are the examples of unlike decimals. So what is unlike decimals? Decimals having the different number of digits on the right of the decimal point are called unlike decimals. For example, 1.122, 8.65, 6.7, 11.072, 8.17 and 230.4. Because you can see these decimal numbers have different digits after decimal. Our next topic is converting unlike decimals into like decimals. Let us take a pair of unlike decimals, say 1.5 and 4.123. Can you tell me which number have maximum number of digits after decimal? Yes, 4.123. See, it has 3 digits after decimal. And in 1.5, yes, it has 1 digit after decimal. How to convert unlike decimals into like decimals without changing their values? We can easily convert unlike decimals into like decimals without changing their values by adding zeros to the right of a decimal number, because adding zeros does not change its value. So how many zeros will you add in 1.5 so that both decimal numbers have same number of digits after decimal point? Yes, 2. So add 2 zeros after 1.5. So rewrite 1.5 as 1.500 and write 4.123 as it is. Now both are like decimals. Let us solve some examples. Encircle the pairs of like decimals. Question number 1. 3.5 and 1.68. See, in 3.5 after decimal 1 digit and in 1.68 after decimal 2 digits. So what you observe? Yes, it is the pairs of unlike decimals. So leave them. Question number 2. 11.27 and 7.831. See, in 11.27 after decimal 2 digits, but in 7.831 after decimal 3 digits. So it is the pairs of unlike decimals. So leave them. Question number 3. 16.8 and 7.3. See, in 16.8 after decimal only 1 digit and in 7.3 after decimal only 1 digit. So what you observe? Yes, after decimal both the numbers have 1 digit. So it is a pair of like decimals. So encircle the pairs. See, in 1.101 after decimal 3 digits, and in 0.010 after decimal 3 digits. So what you observe? Yes, after decimal both the numbers have same digits. So it is a pairs of like decimal. So encircle them. Question number 5. 93.21 and 93.217. See, in 93.21 after decimal 2 digits, but in 93.217 after decimal 3 digits. So it is the pairs of unlike decimals. So leave them. Question number 6. 0.101 and 0.010. See, in both the numbers after decimal same digit. So what we have to do? Yes, encircle them. Our next topic is converting into a group of like decimals. Let us take a group of unlike decimals. 0.105, 0.5, 0.05 and 0.50. Take the number having maximum number of digits after decimal. Yes, the number is 0.105. And how many digits after decimal? Yes, 3. So what we have to do? First we write 0.105 as it is. See, 0.5 has only one digit after decimal. So how many zeros will you add in 0.5? Yes, 2 zeros. So add zeros and convert 0.5 into decimal number with 3 decimal places. That is 0.500. Now tell me, how many zeros will you add in 0.05? Yes, 1 zero. So add 1 zero and rewrite 0.05 as 0.050. Now tell me, how many zeros will you add in 0.50? Yes, 1 zero. So add 1 zero and rewrite 0.50 as 0.500. So the like decimals are 0.105, 0.500, 0.050 and 0.500. Let us solve one more examples. Convert into a group of like decimals. Question number 1. 143.85, 31.629, 17.26 and 5.01. First you tell me which number has maximum number of digits after decimal? Yes, 31.629. And how many digits? 3 digits. So convert each decimal number into like decimals having 3 digits after decimal point. So the answer is 143.850, 31.629, 17.260 and 5.010. Question number 2. 405.3, 45.38, 45.03 and 45.8. Check which number has maximum number of digits after decimal. Yes, the numbers are 45.38 and 45.03. And how many digits after decimal? Yes, 2 digits. So convert each decimal number into like decimals having 2 digits after decimal point. So the answer is 405.30, 45.38, 45.03 and 45.80. Question number 3. 143.85, 68.095, 8.09 and 71.1. Now tell me which number has maximum number of digits after decimal? Yes, 68.095. And how many digits? 3 digits. So convert each decimal number into like decimals having 3 digits after decimal point. So the answer is 143.850, 68.095, 8.090 and 71.100. I hope you all understand like and unlike decimals. So students, complete lesson 5 Worksheet 5, question number 1 in Maths textbook and question number 2 in Maths CW. Thank you. Have a nice day.